Hi, today in this video I would like to show you some paper creation, some paper jewels that I made using the paper bead. You can create, as you know, some beautiful earrings like this one, adding some crystal and other beads, or this one in this way. I also use nail polish, glitter nail polish to finish my paper beads, and the same here and the same here. Here a bracelet. This one I made it a long time ago with some with some also charms. I added some charms, and you can create also something like this. In order to create the paper bead, you will need for this kind of paper bead a strip like this one, a sort of rectangular paper strip, and you will need something to roll your strip in this way, and you can create your paper bead. Better something like this one, because you will need also to you will have to roll your strip to glue at the end. Voila. And now we need some glue, and your strip, it's ready. Add some glue. Voila. Okay, and your paper bead, it's ready. You can create this paper bead in many different ways with the paper that you prefer, and they are quite nice. Leave it to dry, and then when dried you can use some nail polish to cover your paper bead, and your paper bead will become waterproof. In order to create this other kind of paper bead, you will need a sort of a triangular strip like this one. Here it's in this way, and here the end of our strip. You will need to roll the strip starting from this part, and then you will do the same, and you will start to roll till the end, and you will have a bead like this one, and they are so funny to make. You can create many of these paper beads. They are so fun. It's a fun way of using your paper. Okay, and leave it to dry as well, and voila, here your beautiful paper bead. Voila. If you want a tutorial more detailed on how to create paper beads, please leave a comment below this video, and I will create a new tutorial. This it's only to show you how easy and how funny is to create paper beads. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.